Okay, so today I'm going to install a dog door into my building because my dog is a PETA and likes to constantly go in and out. So the instructions for the dog door say to measure your dog up from the shoulders and then mark from there. It also says you shouldn't put the dog door less than 4 inches from the end. So when I measured the dog from the shoulders, she came up to, we're going to put this about 24 inches off. So let's measure real quick and see if we can figure out where 24 inches is. That's approximately there. And that goes 22. And it also says to use this door as a guide. So if that goes to the top there, let's just measure. And that is right at that 4-inch. So I think maybe I'll just put this at 5 inches from the bottom, and that would be at about 22 inches from the top. Now what I have to do is get my drill, remove the door, and cut the hole. Drill, battery, bit that they used is a security bit. So I've got some of those here, and I will also be using my step drill bit as soon as I can locate it. Inside, Jackie. Come on. No, this way. Hey. Come on. Come on. Go inside. Go inside. No. Go inside. Go inside. Yeah. Come on, Jackie. Come on, puppy. Come on. Ooh, you did it. Jackie. Come here, puppy. Go ahead, go inside.